Gardening Action Verbs. Plan. To put seeds or a plant into the soil.
Plant the seeds in the garden.
Water. To give water to plants.
Water the flowers every morning.
Dig. To make a hole in the ground.
Dig a hole for the tree.
Sow. To scatter seeds in the soil.
Sow the vegetable seeds carefully.
Weed. To remove unwanted plants.
Weed the garden every week.
Prune. To cut dead or extra branches.
Prune the rose bush in spring.
Trim. To cut neatly.
Trim the hedge regularly.
Rake. To gather leaves with a rake.
Rake the dry leaves into a pile.
Mow. To cut grass.
Mow the lawn every 2 weeks.
Fertilize. To add nutrients to the soil.
Fertilize the plants once a month.
Mulch. To cover the soil to protect it.
Mulch the flower bed with bark.
Harvest. To collect ripe crops.
Harvest the tomatoes in summer.
Pick. To take flowers, fruits, or vegetables from a plant.
Pick the ripe strawberries.
Grow. To become bigger or develop.
Tomatoes grow well in warm weather.
Transplant. To move a plant to a new place.
Transplant the seedling carefully.
Sprinkle. To scatter small drops of water.
Sprinkle water on the flowers.
Spray. To apply liquid in tiny drops.
Spray the plants for pests.
Compost. To make natural fertilizer from waste.
Compost kitchen scraps for the garden.
Pot. To place a plant into a pot.
Pot the new flower gently.
Repot. To move a plant into a larger pot.
Repot the plant every year.
Loosen. To make the soil less compact.
Loosen the soil around the roots.
Cover. To place something over another thing.
Cover the seeds with soil.
Remove. To take something away.
Remove the dead leaves.
Pull. To move something toward you.
Pull out the weeds.
Cut. To divide with a tool.
Cut the dry branches.
Tie. To fasten with a string or rope.
Tie the tomato plant to a stake.
Support. To help hold something upright.
Support the young tree with a stake.
Sweep. To clean using a broom.
Sweep the garden path.
Clean. To make something free from dirt.
Clean the gardening tools after use.
Bloom. To produce flowers.
The roses bloom in spring.